Any recent movie or show that you've binged on or wish you could see but couldn't watch, but haven't watched it yet?
No, I watched a movie called 12th Fail.
Okay.
Which was
very inspiring film.
Very good movie.
What genre movies do you generally like? What is your...
I like comedy movies.
This was not comedy, but...
And true events movie.
Which was...
Yeah,
which
exactly.
was this
I love watching true story movies. Because obviously something that has happened and it has been portrayed on television, somebody is obviously acting about it. It's
very
nice.
Inspiring.
Yeah.
Since you speak of comedies, which is your all-time favorite go-to comedy film which you can put on if you're feeling low, feeling down, you want to put on a movie that's going to lift your spirits? Which one is that?
Nothing in particular, but I like all the Rajpal Yadav movie.
Oh. Yeah. See, you heard it here first. I didn't expect that answer. Okay. And Rajpal Yadav would be very happy to hear that too.
Yeah,
Make a clip of this and send it to him.
No, the reason I'll say I love watching comedy movies is because we go through so much stuff on a daily basis, so much pressure, playing the game, wanting the results all the time, running after the results all the time. It's too hectic. So, for me, best way to go and just take my mind off is watch something
fun, light, funny,
exactly,
happy.
So,
stand-up comedy is also a good option. I watch a lot of stand-up comedy when I'm in a little bit of a low funk. Okay, what is the weirdest thing that you have ever autographed?
Someone's hair.
What?
There was a guy who came with a golden marker and he said, I want you to write it on my hair. I said, hair? I said, yeah, everyone takes autograph on pen, on papers, hand. I want it on hair.
That man never washed his hair again?
Yeah,
Something like that?
I asked him the same question. Are you going to wash your hair or not? He said, मैं try करूँगा जब तक हो सकता है तब तक manage करूँगा.
That is a weird one. That really is weird. Okay, what is the most unusual local dish you've tried when you've been traveling? Are you an experimental kind of guy when it comes to food?
I've traveled so much in India, so I'm quite aware of everything that has been served in respective cities, like in South, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Vizag.
So what is the most unusual dish you've tried, and would you have it again?
Like, I remember...
even outside of the country, something completely unusual.
I don't remember any of that, actually.
Can't remember a very unusual dish which you're waiting to try again, or which you never want to try again?
No.
All right.
I don't remember.
No worries. What is the strangest gift you've ever received from a fan?
No, they've been actually very sweet. I either get photographs of mine,
paintings, sketches.
I've never received anything weird or strange.
Okay, what's the most priceless gift you've received from a fan? Which is something that this made you go, wow, this is something special.
They made a portrait of my wedding, which was nice, and I still have it. And there's a portrait of my entire family, wife, daughter, so that was also nice. I've kept it. Yeah.
Okay. Do you still find time to play cricket with your childhood buddies? Okay, cricket is now work. I will do other things with my childhood buddies, but not play cricket.
My childhood buddies are actually doing well. All of them are settled. One of them is settled in US. One of them is in Australia. I'm not going to go there and play cricket with them. But I have met them when we were there playing. So yeah, all my closest childhood friends.
But no cricket with them, that's for sure.
No.
Okay. Now, which city do you Who sent this question? Which city do you find the most romantic?
In India?
Anywhere. And did you propose to Ritika there?
I'm a Bombay boy. I love everything about Mumbai.
Okay.
So it has to be Mumbai.
So where did you propose to Ritika then?
I actually took her to the place where I started my cricket.
That is quite romantic. That is very romantic. I did see Ritika. She's here somewhere.
She's there, right there.
Okay. Is he romantic? Is he romantic? Where is she? I can't see. No. No. She says no. Okay. But he took you to the place where he started playing cricket. That's special. Okay. Have you ever sung for Ritika
No.
or Samaira?
Yes. For my daughter, yes.
Yes.
Many a times. I have put her to sleep singing a song, so.
So let's hear that song.
No, please.
Let's hear that song. Everybody over here wants to hear at least one line.
I don't remember it now. It was like 5 years ago.
He was very vehement saying, yes, yes, for my daughter, so I sing, so he knows all the songs. But, okay, one line.
Please don't.
I'm sure everybody over here would want to hear one line. What do you sing for your daughter?
It's from Lion King. Can you feel the love tonight?
Was that a rap?
No. I'm just naming the song.
Okay.
That much I can do. I can't sing. Please, guys. Thank you.
Okay. Is that her favorite song? Or is that your favorite song?
It was her favorite song. It still is, but now, she's got many songs now. But this has to be one of her all-time favorite.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's why you sing it for her. Every night before she goes to sleep.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Okay, what is the most romantic thing you've done for Ritika, who's hiding there?
Oh.
Last
you
question.
should ask her that.
She just said you're not romantic.
Probably I have to go home and ask her about it.
Okay. On that note, there's something very special that is going to happen here. What we're going to do is, you can see something behind you. You might have an idea what that is. Okay? That Rohit is an ambassador of Leo One. We know that. But there's something else that is going to be announced here. Okay? Something that you remember that you ordered last.
I think I ordered some cricketing stuff. I think it was a ankle strap
From where?
from, I think it was Amazon.
Amazon. Okay. Now,